Hi, I'm Jacayla McCullough, and today I'm going to be giving you a preview of why teachers' pay is important and how the lack of is affecting teachers and students. Why did I choose this topic? I chose this topic to simply inform anyone that is considering teaching as a career, and also because many people, including myself, has chosen teaching for a career without knowing the pay. So for that reason, I have decided to inform you on how the decrease of pay rates is affecting teachers and students as a whole. Because of pay, teachers are starting to lose interest and aren't as motivated in teaching the kids. Teachers are going on strike for better pay, and the rate of low quality teachers in the schools are starting to increase. To go into more detail about how pay is affecting the teachers and students, I will be using articles from academic journals. The first article states the Education Institute of Scotland is demanding a 10% pay raise for teachers and threatening strikes if pay does not increase. Secondly, a Chinese Education and Society author states teacher salary level and structures are not only important factors affecting the supply of primary and secondary school teachers, but they are also crucial to affecting training and retaining high-quality teachers in schools. In conclusion, the pay is not only affecting the teachers, but it is also affecting the kids in their education